Hello everyone, quick guide how to connect CFS, Creality CFS to Creality K2 Plus 3D printer. First of all, obviously you have a K2 Plus 3D printer, right? And you have CFS system. To be able to connect, you will need two cables and another two PTFE tubes. Step 1. Install the filament buffer on the back of the printer and tighten it with the two buffer screws. And please pay attention to the direction. You need to have one interface on the left side and 4 interfaces on the right side. Or you see, this element and the spring should be on the left side. This is important. So connect CFS hub outlet and a buffer. Insert the one end of the longest PTFE tube into the CFS hub outlet and other side into the buffer. Basically, you have an input into the or out from the CFS system, right? And you need just to insert the tube and that's all. It's secured. And other side, you can press into any of 4 connectors on the right side of this hub. Now, the second tube you need to connect to the hub on the left side and to the printer itself. So the material, the filament, will come through the one tube into the hub and then from the hub to the printer itself. Also, you need just to, press it inside and to the printer itself. So now you have connected your CFS to the printer, so filament will come over this path inside and will print your object. Now you have 2 cables, right? One is a long one and one is a short one. So the short one should be connected to the left port on a CFS module itself, and it should be connected to the hub. Here you go, as simple as that. And the second one, a longest cable, should be connected to the right port on a CFS and to the only one on the bottom side of the printer itself. Here you go. And theoretically you can connect up to 4 different CFS systems in a chain, so you will have altogether 16 colors of filament ready for your prints. Now we need to connect a power to the printer and we're ready to go. Now let's switch the printer, and during a first start or during the start itself, if you have already loaded some filaments inside, it will do a test. You can switch it on in the settings. So it will check each of the spool with a filament, right? And if you are using Creality filaments with air feed, it will try to read the type and the color of the filament to add this automatically to the settings of Creality Print Slicer.